kisooseemu. Director atugambye wano nti tulina okubanga abantu tubafuna abali mu industry ne tuba recognizinga ne tubawa ebbaluwa eziraga nti kye bakoze ddala tukisiimye. We are going to recognize 6 people today. Last year we recognized omukyala Anet Nandujja kuba amazina agazinye nga naye abadde ebbaluwa tagifunanga. Nyaba ebbaluwa ye BIT yagimpadde okugigatta ku gye twakuwanga mu FAPA. Ne tu recognizing omwami Moses Matovu akoleredde industry eno abasinga ne tumwegomba. Ate ne tu recognizing ne mukyala Irene Namatovu omuvubuka avuddeyo okubeera nga aperforminga n'anywerera ku Kyakola. Omwaka guno, this year, we are going to recognize 6 people era nga ntandise bwe nti. Ama, sooka ove mu bitiibwa otegekere tugenda okukwasa abantu. Tugenda kutandika n'omuntu ono. Gita, nawe weetabe mu nsonga ezo mukwate ku bintu bye tugenda okukola. Ngenda boogerako mu Luzungu. Mutegeke amatu gammwe tusobole okuba nga tuwulira Oluzungu. This multiple award winning songbird started out. Juliana has no stage name, but all she's remembered for is heading the list of female musicians since she sang Tata Wabana, followed by Mama Mbile and the timeless Nabikowa album. She broadened her fan base to East Africa and beyond when she got a seat at the Tusker Project Fame Judges Table, where musicians from all over East Africa competed for the top slot. Juliana has more than 30 hit songs, hit after hit. These songs have topped the charts through the years and have won multiple awards in Uganda, Kenya, Tanzania, Africa, and beyond. The Toro Princess has collaborated with Bobby Wine, Sweet Kid, Clear Cut, Radio and Weasel, GNL Zamba, Vampino, Kenya's Kidum, Tanzania's Bushoke, to churn out hits that have forever stayed in Ugandans' minds. When she represented Uganda at the Coke Studio Africa, where she collaborated with Nigeria's Mr. Flavor, their duet was viewed by over thousands of people across Africa. This songbird is the true definition of talent coupled with passion, and we at Mfapak feel that this phenomenal vocalist deserves a certificate in music. Guest of honor, this is Juliana Kanyomozi. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Abakakase nti bigambo katulabe. Thank you so much. Bane mwebale nnyo. Atagamba yimbire yomba. Obanje gere kamu. Nera ne mwegero bangayi.
especially because it's coming from a woman that I have loved and admired for so many years. Thank you so much. It's been an amazing journey. I was actually listening to her reading my entire thing and I'm like, is this me? So I got all this, I achieved all this. It's amazing how much time can fly. Over so many years, it feels like it all happened in a blink of an eye. You know? But thank you so much. Most importantly, congratulations to you guys. Congratulations. You're joining the creative world, so the only thing I can tell you is your uniqueness will be your power. Don't be afraid of your uniqueness. Your uniqueness is your strength. Number 2, be professional. Whatever you do, be professional. Keep your end of the bargain. Whatever you agree to do for someone, do it and do it well. Some doors will get shut in your face. But don't take that as a disappointment, but rather use it as motivation to prove that person wrong. Whoever shut that door. Okay? I wish you nothing but the very best. And thank